Yes, peeps. The funny. I go on this hunting. Yeah. This is what I'm gonna be using today. When I walk with no bait, go try my luck. Yeah. So peeps, we go up on it. We'll see if we can catch in that rough water when I no bait. Alright guys, we're up on Harbour Street. We're on Harbour Street. So we're heading out to Jimmy Cliff Boulevard now. We'll see if we can catch try we look in a rough sea. West building. And we're there at the craft market. So now we're on Market Street. Come early. So guys, we're back at it again. This time I'm here early. Harbour City. Alright, the bouncing. But almost when I hit bike. As I said before, guys, don't have any bait, so I'm gonna go improvise and try a thing. Try a thing. Yeah. So now we're on Howard Cook Boulevard, heading down to KFC. Alright. So this is how we gully. Bit not too bad. Other times with a dirty and this, when you see the box 2 days ago, it kind of clean up a little bit. Kind of kind of. Two school, Malta Verna Prep and Malta Verna. And Chetwood there over the next side. What here's the name again? I don't remember. Come on, Ailey. Harmony Park. Yes guys, so Once again, we are past Harmony Park. The wave still a rip. Not that bad. Yep. Look all, not true. A rat do this sign, a rat bite up your life. Rat bite. Eh? Alright guys, we're closing into One Man Beach. Now we at Aquasol, aka Walter Fletcher's, or should I say Walter Fletcher's aka Aquasol. So we're on this strip, Hip Strip. Water just left down, so I'm going to check it, see if weekend we can go dive. Yeah, now we at the pork pit. What can out there one day? Yep. So oh, here's a calm sound, will be a clock eye sun. Yes, man. Go. There is yesterday. Maybe a rip. It was ripping. What? Tourist on the beach today. Nice.
Wait. Go down and sit down here, dog.
I come visit the beat like yesterday to get some of my beatings clip. Yeah, it was. Shoot, police over here. Police. Yeah, sir. Look at the place. Yeah, the water did there here, so. Look, see? No. Yesterday me come over here, so but before I done a ferry spot where we shoot where we spear fish. But see, I see the day up all the way up here, so picture that. Alright, look how he eat off down here, so. Look. Look there.
Long time in the smell so water.
See, a few rocks, look, a few rocks beat out there, so. A few rocks move. But this no rock no move here, so you see a level? Look how this level. I saw Aquasal side the level. I know it. You see, normally beach would have clean and tree rough sea. A rough sea dirty it up, so you know watch PSC mass, algae, and all kind of stuff, seaweeds. And look how far. You see, come here, see there. See, push for them tree there, look. Go back up yourself. Look on the tree them, I salt kill the tree them. The salt, them here, this can't stand the salt, sea grape. And see somebody take 3 months of salt, we get to see they change.
When we used to come over the side of this year, I was only you see that something about for this year.
Not 2020 or 2021, not true?
Yeah.
So I shoot the ball plate out there last night and I'm not getting it. You see? So the wave. Watch out, eat away. All years remember I did PS sun, watch out. Take away what I sun and take away. Look there. Look at the beach, pretty.
We can't go by there no more.
Over there I'm going, of course, because I can't show nothing here because the yeah. Look if you see them. We stay here, so look a bit. Man. Take out my back. Yes guys. So place change up. Rock stone for days. See? This is what the wave does. The majority of these stones you see here, then come from the rubbles them come from them stone. As you see a few stone move. Yeah. So that's why here so I did sun. I did sun. Now I pay stone. Pay stone. But me know when they sea calm down, the sun going, the sea go pretty. The sea going pretty. The water go clean. The water going clean. Going clean. So yeah. Alright guys, but just there rig up me rod in camera never there video, so never there take notice. But yeah, me I go look some bait now. As me said before, me didn't bring no bait, so I have improvised. Me catch one look a crab so far. I'm gonna bring no knife. I'm gonna bring no knife. I'm gonna bring nothing we can cut or can stop. So but they are improvised. So I look shell crab. So far I'm gonna get no shell crab. Yeah, improvise. I look if I can find things we can use. Here's some find that crabby. So now look if I find any more. As me say. Hope you guys can see what you guys can see. Just one little crab I find so far. Sorry to damage your habitat. So we'll find one little crab. I thought I saw one. Move real fast. They are searching hermit crab, but no hermit crab. No hermit crab. Dude, this is heavy. Well, I saw one. Sorry, little crabs. Two. Plus, you can smell like small dead fish. Smell small fishes. Yes guys, so I'm gonna make use of them. These are my baits. Yep. Wish me luck. guys, wish me luck. Wish me luck. Yes guys, so that's it. Let's see what happens. So I'm gonna try catch some bait. Better bait. Like one small fish or something. Sweet. Yes guys, so wish me luck. I'm go try one little line. See if I can. I'll go throw a line. See if I can get no luck. And you want the littlest crab? You. Sorry. You're going to be my friend. You're going to be my bait, my friend. You're going to be my blade, okay? Just take it easy, my friend. This hook not even good, my friend. So, peeps. Sorry to the crab, but I got to do it. Shoot. This is not good. Crab too fragile, it can't work. Guys, I'm gonna see if I can get a bait. Are they hungry? Guys, I don't know what is going on today, but it look like for a long time in a show line I lose my touch because I've been spearfishing quite some time. A long time I use line. Dams of fish them are picky. And fish are just there everywhere. Guys, we're going to use this bait over in a open water. So this now work. We go wheel up it back. It ain't working, so I'm going to wheel up it back. Alright, so guys, go lock off the camera until we catch one bait. Conserve. Yeah. Guys, check it out, guys. Cruise ship, guys. Cruise ship. I saw me catch something a while ago. Guys, I thought I caught something. Ship is going out, guys. Nice slow. Trying my luck, guys. I'm trying my luck. Nice trees out here. Nice. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. Alright guys, we at Lovers Park, aka Old Hospital. You know, for some reason I still rate that park here over Harmony. I have so much memories here. Still nice. Still nice. Yeah.
Okay, now look at this, ma'am.
Nice, that's your
Yeah.
body. Huh? What the fuck?
That's gonna cost you $10. Hey, my partner has my money. I'll be right back. Don't you walk away from me!
Alright guys, I'll get some more info and go to history on this old hospital. Right. When it's smaller, we used to jump off here, so we call it a jump off. Well, more to that side. Old Hospital Park. Kinda want to renovate still. Alright guys, now only good health. Check this out. I wave them to this so. Wave. Check it out. As I said in BF. Right, let's go 3-6 points then. Guys, we're approaching the Margaritaville. Check this out, guys. Sweet. Closer shot to catch in a slow-mo and now come up. One no. This look like it now. Huh?